Love movies? Guess the stars, sequels, and surprises of 2025. Score big or get stumped. Only real fans will ace this. Let's play. Which film became the highest-grossing animated movie of all time in 2025? Ne Zha 2. Who plays Snow White in Disney's new 2025 live-action movie? Rachel Zegler. What is the name of the new 2025 movie in the 28 Days Later series? 28 Years Later. Which director is behind the film Mickey 17 starring Robert Pattinson? Ne Zha 2. Who plays Bridget Jones in the new 2025 movie Mad About the Boy? Renée Zellweger. Which movie is the sequel to Den of Thieves with Gerard Butler? Den of Thieves 2, Pantera. Which 2025 film directed by Helena Rhine features Nicole Kidman in a thriller? Baby Girl. Which 2025 Marvel film introduces Anthony Mackie as the new Captain America? Captain America, Brave New World. Which popular singer stars in the movie The Idea of You? Nicholas Galitzine. In the movie Tron Ares, who plays the main character? Ares. Jared Leto.